It's a beautiful autumn day here in Escondido, California. This is Kathy Daniels with Prudential California Realty, and I'm about to show you a sneak preview of my new listing. We're here at 1912 Zlatibor Ranch Road in Escondido. This is a beautiful, gorgeous, executive-style home. We're walking up the extended driveway. It has a 3-car garage, beautiful landscaping, gorgeous large home, over 4,700 square feet. You have plenty of space for cars that are going to come and park for your parties, your entertaining. What a beautiful, beautiful day here. Pretty close to Thanksgiving. This would be a beautiful home for the holidays. A great home to be entertaining in. We're walking up the entryway.